Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's making waves in the health and smoothie community. Bulk supplements. Calm's lime powder. This right here is not just any lime powder. It's hailed as the best yogurt powder for smoothies on the market. Let's unpack why. BulkSupplements.com offers a premium lime powder that packs a punch in both flavor and nutritional benefits. It's crafted to add that zesty, tangy kick to your culinary creations without any artificial additives. Whether you're blending up a refreshing morning smoothie or whipping up a batch of tangy yogurt, this powder is designed to elevate your recipes effortlessly. Beyond its culinary charm, Bulk Supplements.com's lime powder offers significant health benefits. With its vitamin C content, it supports immune function and helps maintain healthy skin and connective tissues. It's an antioxidant powerhouse, combating free radicals and promoting overall wellness. Plus, its versatility makes it a must-have in any health-conscious kitchen. Now, let's get practical. Here are a couple of ways to incorporate this lime powder into your daily routine. Zesty lime smoothie. Blend with spinach, banana, and coconut water for a refreshing start to your day. Mix with Greek yogurt, garlic, and herbs for a tangy dip that pairs perfectly with veggies. The possibilities are endless, and the results? Simply delicious. In conclusion, BulkSupplements.com lime powder isn't just a condiment. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their culinary adventures with a burst of lime goodness. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply seeking to boost your health, this powder delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and comment below if you've tried Bulk Supplements.com's lime powder or have any questions. Until next time, happy blending!